Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about mass quick actions. You have probably heard of quick actions before, and if you haven't, then you may have used them and just not realized. Quick actions help make your users' lives easier by simplifying navigation and speeding up workflows. Quick actions can be something as simple as logging calls and updating records, but can also invoke complex features like flows and Visualforce pages. Most quick actions appear on a single record page, but did you know that there are also such things as mass quick actions? A mass quick action is a quick action that gets added to an object's search layout. When using a mass quick action, you can select up to 100 records at a time from a list view and perform mass updates. This is incredibly helpful when changing ownership of records or performing mass updates like mass conversions. To create a mass quick action, all you have to do is create the quick action for the desired object. Once you have done that, click on the search layout for that object and add the quick action to the list view actions. Click Save to confirm the changes and navigate to the object list view. Your mass quick action should be available in the top corner, and you can now begin selecting multiple records and making mass updates. Easy! Thank you for watching. See you next time.